don't like that. And I like how Vibhuti and Jesu. Namaskar, namaste. आप कैसे हैं दोस्त? आप कैसे हैं? क्या चल रहा है? क्या चल रहा है? I'm practicing every day. I'm practicing. I'm learning. I studied like an hour today. I studied like an hour yesterday. Which way am I going? Okay, this way. Well, I said I was going to go down the other way, but let me go this way and see what's up. You know. Now I'll find out. And Witty Travels. What's up, Witty Travels? Kati and Will. What's up, Kev TV? Kev TV, what's up? Finn Del Mundo. These are all YouTubers. Kev TV. Finn, Finn, Del Mundo. He's a New Zealander. Buenos dias, ¿cómo están? Wow, this reminds me of a little shrine. Like in India, when I was in India, in some places you find shrines. I remember a Hanumanji shrine in Bhubaneswar. Very nice. This is awesome. That was the street I was going to come down through. That was the street. Buenos dias, ¿cómo están? Con permiso. So this is something different. I mean, guys, the ones that are watching this that are from India. Buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? Qué bien. Ah, bueno. Hasta luego. So, hey, doggy, how you doing, doggy? Doggy, dude, Lulu, how you doing? Hey, do you like Traveling Eddie? Okay, he said he doesn't like Traveling Eddie bothering him. He scared me. So I love dogs, but I know you can't be bothering dogs, you know, all the time. All that. Let's go up this way. I love them, but I know I can't just stick out my hand and say, hey, doggy, how you are? You lose a finger, you get a finger gnawed off or something, or, you know, you get some kind of crazy stuff going on. But I love dogs anyhow. But I've learned the hard way not to be just trying to touch dogs. Hey, doggy, black doggy. And they're protective. They're protecting their home. Some people might say, hey, this looks similar to a favela in Rio de Janeiro. Whatever. Or in Rishikesh, the alleys and all of that. And it's getting warmer and warmer. I feel the warmth of the sun on my back. Wow. This is a different part of Guanajuato city or capital that 99, well, I would say 97% of tourists never see. Hola, ¿cómo está? Buenos días. But I'm seeing it, and you're seeing it through my walking tour. Somebody wanted to do a little guitar thing there with paint, spray paint. And this is for a motorcycle, not for bicycles, but some people that have motorcycles. I've seen it in Colombia, walking through some of the neighborhoods similar to this in different ways, in Medellin or in other areas, and they do this, like in La Comuna 13. Who else did I forget to give a shout out to? Benjamin Jenks, an American in India. He's doing great stuff. Benjamin Jenks. Baba Fett. Use the force, Luke. I mean, Benjamin. Baba shot the jukebox. It's an old song back from the day. Bubba shot the jukebox. So, just came walking up from that area. We're getting higher up here. Not getting high, but getting higher. Colibri, the hummingbird, very famous in spiritual Mexican pre-Hispanic culture. Now, I'm just gonna go down this way, find another alley. Buenos dias, ¿cómo están? And just keep going. Well, I'm not gonna find any more alleyways. Yes, of course I am. But I'm gonna keep this video short. Stay tuned for more walking and talking, jive, talking, jive, walking, Traveling Eddie here with the alleyways in Guanajuato. There'll be more to come. Give it a like.